Everyone knows someone touched by cancer. But here's the truth most people never hear. For many cancers, risk isn't fixed. Today I'll show you 10 practical science-aligned moves you can start this week to support your immune system and lower lifelong risk. I'm not offering cures, just empowering, evidence-informed choices you can control. Small habits, multiplied over years, move your risk in the right direction. We'll cover smart greens, hidden toxins, sun done right, what to limit, what to filter, and how to put it into a simple daily plan. 1. Go dark green daily. Aim for 5 cups of leafy greens day. Mix kale, spinach, arugula, broccoli. Tip: daily smoothie. 2 packed cups, kale, plus 1 cup blueberries, plus water, unsweetened almond milk. Crucifers provide sulforaphane precursors linked with anti-cancer pathways. 2. Store smarter. Rotate nuts, grains, buy smaller quantities, keep cool, dry, smell check, and discard any moldy, discolored items. Prefer reputable brands. Rotate stock monthly. 3. Be picky with nut butters. Choose top brands, fresh jars, and seal tightly. If taste, smell, texture is off, toss it. Variety helps dilute exposure. 4. Limit deli processed meats. Keep cured meats and processed patties as rare treats. Choose poultry, fish, legumes more often. When grilling, avoid charring. 5. Alcohol, the hard truth. Best risk reduction? Skip it. If you do drink, keep it truly minimal and not daily. 6. Sun, not sunburn. Prefer early morning, late afternoon light for vitamin D support. Use shade, clothing, and broad-spectrum protection to avoid burns, especially for kids. 7. Fiber. First, ferments. Mindfully feed your gut with 25-35 gram fiber just day. Beans, oats, veggies. Enjoy unsalted, lightly salted ferments if you like them, but avoid heavily salted pickles as a staple. 8. Water you can trust. Use a quality water filter certified for common contaminants, nitrates, heavy metals. Hydrate consistently. 9. Screen. Once for hepatitis C, adults. Ask your clinician for a one-time HCV antibody test. Modern treatments are short and well tolerated. 10. The Daily Cancer Defense Plate. Half-plate colorful veggies. Include 1 to 2 cups dark greens. 25-35 gram fiber total. Day. 1-2 palm-sized lean protein servings. Healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, seeds in measured portions. Limit red processed meats, alcohol, ultra-processed snacks. Sleep. 7 to 8 hours. Manage stress. Move daily risk. Isn't destiny. Habits compound. In our next video, we review top water filters and how to choose the right one for your home. Subscribe and tell me in the comments, which single change will you start this week? Disclaimer: this video is informational only and not medical advice. Talk to your healthcare provider about your personal risks and screening plan.